Sora 2 is here.
How effective is it?
What's new? How do I register?
Where can I get the invite code?
Invite code! Right here!
How do I get one? We all need it!
Okay, I just unboxed the Sora 2 and I'm obsessed, but I have no idea if I'm using it right. Any trick how to use Sora 2?
October has just kicked off, and OpenAI has already dropped their latest AI video model, Sora 2. And just like that, the internet is flooded with Sora 2 videos. Without a doubt, the two biggest trends everyone's having fun with are body cam footage.
You know how fast you were going? Step out of the car right now!
Pick up.
Don't give me that. Hands where I can see them. Unlock the door.
Pick up.
Wait, open it. Hey, don't you...
And Cameo videos featuring characters like Ultraman.
Meow, 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 meow.
But the applications for Sora 2 go way beyond just these trends. There are so many other uses that you probably haven't even thought of. After several days of testing, I'm going to show you 8 of the most important and interesting ways to use Sora 2 in this video. Plus, I'll even show you how to remove the Sora 2 watermark. So, go ahead and smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe. Let's jump right in. Before we get going, you need to know that Sora 2 is currently only available to users in the United States and Canada. So, what if you're not in one of those countries? Yep, you can use a VPN to set your location to the US or Canada. Also, access to Sora 2 is invite-only right now. Stick around to the end of the video because I'll be sharing my personal invitation code with you all for free. Anyone who needs one can grab it. Okay, let's get started. With this latest update, Sora 2 lets you create amazing videos without needing super complicated prompts. For example, just type, "Generate a popular science video explaining the principle of Rupert's tears."
Tears. This little droplet is called a Rupert's tear. It's just molten glass, quick cooled in water. The head is so tough you can hit it with a hammer, but snap the thin tail and boom, it explodes into dust. Why does it do this? Rapid cooling locks huge...
Or, generate a teaching video on how to distinguish between the words see and watch.
Let's clear up the difference between see and watch. When you see something, you simply notice it with your eyes, no effort required. But when you watch, you're paying attention to something, often for a period of time.
Or even, generate an animated science video demonstrating the composition of water molecules.
A water molecule is built from 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Each hydrogen shares an electron with oxygen, forming covalent bonds and giving the molecule its bent shape. Because the electrons spend more...
And Sora 2 isn't limited to just English. It can handle other languages flawlessly. For example, generate a popular science video explaining the principle of Rupert's tears in Chinese.
这就是鲁珀特之泪，外观看着像一滴冰冻的水，大块部分极为坚硬，即使用锤子也很难敲碎。但只要掰断细尾巴，整颗瞬间粉碎。
Or in Spanish.
¿Por qué este vidrio es tan fuerte pero se rompe con tocar la cola? Se llama lágrima de Rupert y es una curiosidad del vidrio templado. Cuando el vidrio fundido se enfría muy rápido en agua, la superficie se contrae y aprieta el interior.
In Hindi too.
इसे कहते हैं रूपर्ट्स टीयर्स यानी प्रिंस रूपर्ट्स ड्रॉप। यह पिघले हुए शीशे की एक बूंद है जो पानी में गिरते ही बाहर से बहुत तेजी से जम जाती है। सिर पर जबरदस्त दबाव रहता है, इसलिए इसे हथौड़े से भी तोड़ना आसान नहीं। लेकिन
Now, Google's VO3 model already had audio syncing capabilities a few months ago, but Sora 2's version feels much more natural and closer to a real person. You can tell this is the result of Sora 2 being trained on a massive amount of data. This is another really fun way to use it. For example, a young lady eating Sichuan hot pot and then watching a panda live performance show in China.
This is straight out of the spicy side. Here we go. Oh, that heat is perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
A young lady in front of the camera explaining her makeup steps.
Gloss. I'm starting with a pump of this lightweight foundation and pressing it in with a damp sponge. I like to bounce it rather than swipe so it keeps the coverage even. Then a touch of concealer right in the inner corner and the outer edge. This opens the eye.
First-person perspective. iPhone selfie of a young lady walking through the streets of New York, capturing authentic urban life.
Hey guys, just walking to the office. It's one of those perfect fall mornings, cloudy, a little crisp, smells like coffee and bagels everywhere. The city feels extra alive today, taxis are wild as usual. I grabbed an oat latte from the spot online.
Of course, It can also handle some pretty difficult action shots without breaking a sweat. A young man used a kickflip to jump over the attic and land perfectly.
Landed it clean. That felt so good.
A young lady dancing and singing on TikTok.
I got the sunshine on repeat, dancing in my bare feet. Snap a little clip cause the vibe's so sweet, you can feel it through the screen. Been working all week, now we're stepping out, spinning in the living room, singing loud. If you know what this.
Whether you run social media accounts or own an e-commerce business, this is a feature you absolutely have to try. It might just give you some unexpected and amazing results. For example, a young lady endorsing Nike sports shoes advertisement, fashionable, healthy, dynamic, sunny, outdoor, high definition.
Every step feels lighter when the gear can keep up. Nike's Air Zoom Pegasus gives me the bounce and the comfort to go further, whether it's a sunrise run or a midday sprint.
Advertisement for this Apple Watch metal protective case, endorsed by a young lady, depicts vitality, sports, outdoor activities, and positivity, targeting the American middle class.
I put my watch through a lot. Runs, hikes, even weekend road trips. This metal case keeps it protected without slowing me down. It's tough, lightweight, and that gold with the orange band.
A young lady endorses this smart bracelet, which is not only a beautiful decorative bracelet, but also a health expert, with functions like heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, and exercise data. It is fashionable and avant-garde, and it is active and positive.
It's a bracelet that looks this good and keeps up with your lifestyle. Beyond the sparkling design, it monitors your heart rate, tracks sleep, counts every step, and even shows calories burned. Fashion-forward, health-focused.
You could even have Ultraman endorse your product if you wanted to.
This is the new metal protective case for Apple Watch. Sleek. When it's time to step away from the desk, these are what I reach for. Nike built them light, responsive, and just cushy enough for the miles ahead. They give me energy, they look good, and they keep my mind clear while I'm moving. If you want,
I run, climb, lift, and still jump into meetings. My Apple Watch keeps me on top of it all. This metal case keeps it alive. Forged stainless steel, shock-absorbing corners, and easy access to the crown.
When it comes to comedy and entertainment, nobody is short on creativity. But here are a few examples to get you started. Einstein skates through the city like something out of a daydream, yelling, "Get out of the way! Get out of the way!"
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
An alpaca travel video, change the background into various tourist attractions, cheerful background music, 8K details. A dog was driving and complaining to the dog in the passenger seat, "Why are there so many cars on the road and why is it so congested?"
Look at this mess. We haven't moved an inch in 10 minutes. Why are there so many cars out here? It's mid-morning. Everyone should be at work, or at least napping by now.
It's the city, buddy. People gotta get places.
A selfie video from Jesus showing everyone at the Last Supper, and then he makes a joke that Judas is probably going to be a traitor.
Shalom, friends. Quick selfie before the bread gets cold. Say hi, everyone. Hi. All right, 12 of us breaking bread, sharing wine. Except one of us is probably going to betray me later. Looking at you, Jude.
Hey, come on.
A giant frog wearing a suit gives a serious televised presidential speech, waving its webbed hands at a podium with flags behind it. Flashing cameras, live TV lower thirds, ultra-real skin textures.
My fellow citizens, tonight we stand at a crossroads. The decisions we make together will ripple far beyond this moment. We must choose cooperation over division.
This is actually a very broad application. You can let your imagination run wild and create all kinds of short dramas or movie scenes. For example, a smoky underground club in the 1940s, a young man in a suit playing cards, the boss in shadows giving silent orders, tension thick in the air, cinematic chiaroscuro lighting, gritty mafia film style.
Too green to see it.
Keep it steady. No more, no less.
I hear you. Your move, kid.
3 reds, I'll ride it.
Generate a complete true color story based on the storyboard.
Mornings start with coffee and a promise to slow down. At the cafe, words flow easier than thoughts. A run through the park clears the noise. Later, it's quiet text, sunset reflection.
A boat with a young couple is in the ocean. Massive waves. The young couple is screaming.
I'm gonna have to ride it out! It's too big, we're gonna flip! Keep low, I'm turning into it! Oh my god! Brace yourself now!
This is a really cool one. For all the gamers out there, this allows you to experience the charm of game worlds in a truly immersive way. For example, the man holding a camcorder shooting a nature documentary while walking and introducing, but it's in Minecraft, true color style.
Hey everyone, today we're exploring one of my favorite biomes in Minecraft, the spruce forest, and I'm shooting it like a real nature doc. Look at how the sunlight filters through these leaves and bounces off the river blocks. Just ahead you can see the snowy
Dumbo, Brooklyn in GTA San Andreas style.
Yo, look at that bridge, man. Tells you you're in the right spot.
Yeah, Dumbo's got a vibe. Smells like pizza too.
Jesus showing you how to turn water into wine and rust on a gaming stream. Jesus is the gamer.
All right, chat, watch close. Water in the jar, nothing fancy. We hit craft, couple fibers, a little faith, and there it goes. See that shimmer? That's the good stuff coming through. Boom, fresh wine, vintage 33 AD. You can sit.
Once you create a cameo of yourself, there are a ton of fun things you can do. For example, the man in the image and Sama are discussing AI algorithms while having dinner.
Dinner like this gives us time to really dive into the nuts and bolts.
For sure. I've been experimenting with fine-tuning small language models, and I'm curious, how does that reinforcement learning step actually guide a big model's outputs?
Or you can make Ultraman speak Chinese. Ultraman explains why there is no Android app yet.
Asking why there's no Sora app for Android. The short version is that we're a small team and we had to pick somewhere to start, so we focused on the web and on iOS first. Building a good Android experience takes extra work because of all the...
Flicks a light switch, which instead of turning off the lights, changes the scene from live action to a cartoon. A selfie video from Jesus showing everyone at the Last Supper, and then he makes a joke that Judas is probably going to be a traitor.
What's up, friends? It's me, hanging with the squad. Last Supper vibes. Say hi, everybody.
Hey, peace. Shalom.
And here's Judas, looking all innocent. Probably gonna betray me later.
TikTok-style cookie recipe video, but the ingredients are small curly hairs, whipped boogers, dirt, and uncooked pasta.
Start with a cup of tiny curly hairs. Add half a cup of whipped boogers. Yeah, you heard me. Toss in a third cup of fresh dirt and half a cup of uncooked pasta. Mix it all together till it's sticky and weird. Scoop onto a tray and bake 12 minutes at 350.
A bright red sports car gracefully performs a ballet routine on a stage, spotlight beams following its elegant spins and leaps. Full orchestra plays dramatically. 8K detail, smooth camera pans. A female sang a lyrical song with deep emotion, live. She sang while playing the piano.
I was quiet as the snowfall. You were burning like the sun. Somehow we met in the middle, and I learned what brave could be.
All right, friends. To wrap up, here are a few personal tips and tricks I've picked up while using Sora 2. First, Remix. When you go to the Sora 2 homepage, you'll find a feed of interesting videos. If you see one you like, just click Remix. Type in your own prompt, and you'll get a new video in a similar style.
Let me paint! That's it!
Second, add Cameo. Currently, Sora 2 only has an official mobile app for iOS, and you can't use real photos of people as your reference image for a cameo. You have to record a short video of yourself. But for Android users who want to create consistent character videos similar to the Cameo feature, there might be a little workaround. It just takes an extra step. All you need to do is take the image you want to use for your character and convert it into a black and white sketch style, like me using Dreamina AI. Once that's done, Upload it to Sora 2 to create your video. And just like that, your video is made.
Hey everyone, today we're exploring one of my favorite biomes in Minecraft, the spruce forest, and I'm shooting it like a real nature doc. Look at how the sunlight filters through these leaves and bounces off the river blocks. Just ahead you can see the snowy...
Third, how to remove the Sora watermark. All videos generated by Sora 2 have a visible watermark, but there are tools that can remove it. Open a website like Unwatermark. Click Upload Video. Select the parts of the video that have the watermark. Once you've selected all of them, click Remove Now. A minute later, you've got a video with no watermark ready to download. Fourth, invitation code. Yes, here's my invitation code, as promised. Alright friends, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or even better ideas, let me know in the comments below. And if this video was helpful to you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, and I try to make content that's as useful as possible for you all. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck!